What are negative numbers? Negative numbers are less than 0 and appear on the left of the number line. Let's see examples from real life. Temperatures below 0. Elevation below sea level. Owning money. How we can do operations with negative numbers. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. For adding negative numbers, there are some rules. Rule number 1. If the two numbers have the same signs, add absolute values of the two numbers and keep the sign. For example, -3 plus -5. Add 3 and 5 and keep the negative sign. So the result is -8. Rule number 2. If the two numbers have different signs, subtract absolute values, take the sign of the larger. For example, -3 plus 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And the sign of the larger number is positive. So the result is +2. Let's go for subtracting negative numbers. The rule is Gcse. Keep, change, change. For example, -6 minus -4. Keep the first number -6. Change the minus sign to plus sign. And change the sign of the second number to its opposite. So we get +4. And by simple adding, the result is -2. The tip is subtracting a negative number equals adding a positive number. Let's see multiplying negative numbers. Rules. If we have two numbers of the same signs, the product is positive. For example, -3 times -5, the product is +15. Rule number 2. If we have different signs, the product is negative. For example, -3 times 5, the product is -15. Finally, for dividing negative numbers, rule number 1. If we have two numbers of the same signs, the quotient is positive. For example, -15 over -5, the quotient is +3. Rule number 2. If we have different signs, the quotient is negative. For example, -15 over 5, the product is -3. We can summarize operations with negative numbers as follows. Addition. If we have same signs, add and keep sign. And if we have different signs, subtract and take the sign of the larger. Subtraction. Use Gcse rule. Keep the first. Change minus sign to plus. Change the sign of the second to its opposite. Multiplication and division. If we have the same signs, the result is positive. And if we have different signs, the result is negative. Pause the video and try to solve these problems. Leave the answer in comments. Thank you for watching.